it's Marcus. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm at a waterfall, spending the day with my stepdaughter, my now fiance. I proposed to her yesterday. Got a kid on the way, so let's jump into this family little vacation. What's up, guys? We're trying to walk through some trees right now so we can get over to my girlfriend. The big dog right there. Yep, there it is. But there's my girlfriend. There's the dog. You ready? You ready to walk across this waterfall? It's going to be super loud, so I have to yell. Ow! Part of me just fell into a hole. I don't want to fall. I can't swim. That's my girlfriend. I'm trying to get to her right now. Ow! Here's my surroundings. The big dog. Are you doing okay? Kimmy, are you doing okay? Yeah. I don't know if you heard her, but she said she's doing okay. Oh God, I don't want to fall. Okay. So, we made it. We're over here. We're at the waterfall. My pregnant girlfriend, fiance now. My little stepdaughter.
Come here, monkey. No.
Go to mommy. So yeah, I'm about 45 minutes from my home. We found this little waterfall place. Thought it was cool. Here's the amazing view I got. I'm not sure if my phone will do it justice on what it looks like, but I like it. I can't swim, but it's really fun here.
No. Marcus.
So yeah, I got this little one I have to watch because she wants to go over there, and I can't let her. We're gonna try to have a little bit of fun. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. This is mainly like probably a vlogging video. My first ever vlog. Hopefully you guys like it. I might do some more. So I'm over here. I'm away from everything. I'm trying to get away from the waterfall just a little bit so I can talk to you guys about like what I'm doing here and what we're doing. But basically, we just found this and it's like 45 minutes from our house. We thought it'd be a fun idea, so I just pulled out my phone, started vlogging. Thought I'd make a YouTube video about it. If you guys want to see me do more vlogs, let's try to get like 5 likes on this video and I'll do some more. And I'm gonna show you all around some more, so stay tuned. I'll try to get some good videos of stuff I see, and us just having fun, so stay tuned. So I don't have a GoPro, I'm just using my phone, and it's not waterproof. But I'm trying to show you guys, there's a school of minnows right here in this area. Maybe if I like splash some water, hopefully you guys can like see them move. Like I said, I don't want to dip my phone in the water, it's not waterproof. I'm trying to block the sun, but hopefully you guys can see them. I don't know if you guys can see the waterfall. Maybe I can like adjust it, probably, yeah. So it's either me or the waterfall, but you can't see us both. But here's my view. So I'll let y'all watch the waterfall for a minute. Just enjoy the sounds of nature, like peace and quiet. Not really quiet, but it's peaceful out here. it's a great place to come, like, just keep your mind off things. With everything that's going on in the world, with all the so-called racism, cops, all lives matter, COVID-19. 2020 sucks. It's been a terrible year. And for me and my family, for us just to get out of the house and have a place like this that's kind of close, not close, but we enjoy coming here. So it's pretty fun just to get out of the house and relax, and to have a place like this. We can just, it's just great to be outside of the house and relax, basically. Oh, have to get out a minute so we can eat our snacks. So, we ate our food and we decided that we're gonna leave. And this is my first ever vlog, like, video I've done outside of the house, besides my basketball videos or my Pokemon Go videos. I really hope that everybody enjoyed it, because I know I sure enjoyed. Well, you can't really see it. I know that I really enjoyed all of this today. It was a nice day just to get out of the house before I have to go back to work in the week. So thank you all for watching. If you want more vlogs, let me know. I will do them. And peace.